Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I know many of you, like myself, have been monitoring the development of the Tecsun PL-990x, which is supposed to replace the PL-880 and hopefully solve some of the problems they had. Uh, Pre-production models have been out for some time, and I got an email a couple of days ago from the SWLING website with this announcement from Anatco about pricing and availability. And here it is, supposed to be available for shipment on September 20th. I think that's September 20th, and it's not September 2002. So we shall see. And the price is only going to be $235. Now, early on this year, when I did a show, 6 months ago, they were talking about $350 and up for one of these things, and I'm like, that's not for me. Well, $235 is not too bad. So that's on my list, but I'm not going to be. Oh, wait a minute here. Wait a minute. The package like the pre-productions, I received. Oh, he got it for the pre-production one for $235. He says the production one is $283. Now let's go over. Let's see if I've got. Yeah, here's their webpage, and I had it up here for a minute. I guess it scrolled through. Yeah, there it is. That's the 880 Deluxe. 680. Okay, where it happened, there's a 990. I'll click on that. And there it is, 235. So I'm a little confused. But it does say available 20 September. I assume that's, as we say in the United States, September 20th, 2020. And gives you a little bit of information about it. I've really been looking forward to this because I was really disappointed with the 880. So I'm just going through this real quickly. You can go to, let me go up to the top, to the ANON-CO website. They have sent me radios in the past to review. I'm hoping that you will send me one of these, but so far I have not received one. $235, yeah, it's kind of in my price range. I think I can save the money I make on YouTube and on my Amazon store up for a couple months and have money to buy one of these, because I definitely like to review it, but I'm a little antsy about buying the first one. I mean, it's always nice to get out there and get one and get your review out there ahead of everybody else, but I got burnt so bad on the PL-880, I'm kind of holding off. Now, again, if I go back here, this is a great place to get information. This SWLING.com website. And I think there is, let's see, if I go back, there is some publications where he's actually, yeah, here it is. Here's the review that Thomas did. He's gotten both the pre-production one and the production one, and here's his latest update of the PL-990x versus the PL-880 and the pre-production and the production version of the 990. So you can read this. I know his initial report he did, he pointed out several problems. This was the pre-production model. This was 3, maybe 6 months ago. But here's an update, and he tells you kind of the differences. I'll let you read these yourself. And he says he's even written a review in the new World Radio TV Handbook for 2021. I'm not sure when that's going to come out, but it should be coming out soon. So, interesting news. I really like the looks of it, but of course I like the looks of the PL-990, but wasn't too impressed with the performance, especially the sync function. I don't think they ever got the sync function working properly. I know on my model and Jeff's model, it didn't seem to work that well. But anyway, I just want to give you this update. Keep you posted, and if I hear anything else, again, this website is swling.com is a great website for the latest information. That's it. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.